For welding operations, we equip the M-Box with a current sensor. The moment the welder presses the gun, we record it. The M-Box has two smart card readers to identify the welder and the product or project he is working on. M-Box records relevant welding data per hour's interval. It counts how many welds are made and records the total time welded during this hour. In the reporting that becomes available after completion of the hour interval, you can see how many welds were made and what was the total and average welding time. Welding inactivity over longer periods of time can be defined, recorded, and set to trigger instant notifications. Per project or product, the M-Box system automatically calculates how many hours are spent on the production and your internal cost price. Thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in our products or have any questions, please contact monitor-box.com.